Hello everyone. Today our presentation on quality management gurus. We'll talk about three major gurus. First one is William Edward Deming, who born in 1900 and died in 1993. He's an American engineer, professor, and statistician. As we look at this board, he's acknowledged for being the management thinker in the field of quality. Of course, he's a well-learned man. If you look at his credential, look at where he went for university. His philosophy is based on if an organization is embracing certain principles of management, quality will improve, product will improve, and the cost will reduce. If an organization focus on quality, then the equation quality equal result of work and effort slash total cost, then the quality will improve. In other hands, when the focus of the organization on cost, then the cost will rise and over time quality will drop. He's the father of quality. This man, Joseph Juran, he is known as the father of quality. He is widely regarded as the founding father of many key quality management programs used in today's organization. He is Romanian, born in Romania, but he immigrated in the U.S. in 1912. After World War II, Juran became a professor. He wrote a book who inspired the Union of Scientists, the Japanese scientists, and we look at the Japanese industrial system, which are based on their teachings. So this guy was focusing on quality. We look at the Pareto principle, which is the 80% law. 80-20% law. It simply means that 80% of the effect follow from 20% of the cause. So management board should be careful to this equation. Juran focused on the human dimension of quality management. So his approach goes beyond the walls of the industry, and he focuses on the non-manufacturing process. Juran had the quality trilogy, the quality planning, quality control, and quality improvement. So when we focus on those three things, then any company should be fine. Okay. Finally, we talk about Crosby. Crosby is an American as well, born in West Virginia in 1926. This man created what we call the Philip Crosby Associates. He promoted that we need to do the right things the first time. If we don't do that, we're gonna mess up, because it's always cheaper to do the job the right time, the job right the first time. Solving problems. So basically, his approach is all about prevention. Okay, his core concept is the zero defects, which is a performance method and standard that states that people should commit themselves to closely. And avoid errors. Okay, you need to make sure that the company avoid what we call the zero defect goal. He has also developed the 14 steps of quality management, which is a guide for top management to initiate quality improvement program. He has also the quality vaccine. Crosby explained that this vaccination was the medicine for organization to prevent poor quality. The three of them have changed the industrial system because their focus on quality differs, but if all the companies focus on the quality, which is improvement, the product will sell quickly. If manufacturer avoid poor quality, they will get profit. So basically, that's my presentation on these gurus.